The kitten hanging off the tree goes for about $200 right now, from what I hear on the open market.
The kitten kind of speaks to me.
It inspires me.
That's a beautiful painting. Where'd you get it?
This one is from
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 377, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Cherokee, Georgia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Yo, sir, come on.
I didn't
Hold
do
on.
nothing.
Stop making a scene.
I was just looking.